So if you are willing to generate your first Behance portfolio, you come to the right place. The first thing I want to be doing here is to use the element that says Behance. Generating an actual free account is going to be really easy. You don't have to generate and stand alone for yourself. You can just do it in a very easy way. So when you generate your first website, when you generate your first account, what I need to do, for example, is to focus in my portfolio. I'm going to go and click directly in the element that says I'm planning to use Behance for a creative and I want to be hired. So inside here, sometimes it will be asking you for the category you will be looking for. Let's say, for example, set up my actual custom feed. Behance is a place to look out for work and generate more than just even work. But first, we want to generate, for example, our first portfolio for ourselves. Inside here, I'm going to be looking out for the element that says share work and go for project. But if I go directly into my Behance profile, you can see that here we have different projects that we can add so far. If you wanted to add your own portfolio or your own elements, here what I can do is to generate, for example, my first project. Let's go for create the actual project. Inside here, you can generate your own work, such as images, text, photo grid, video, audio, beams, light, prototype, and 3D. Let's say, for example, let it go for add photos to create my actual grid. Inside here, I will be looking, for example, for this kind of images. I select this two and I go for open. Now I have two different images that I can show directly into my actual portfolio. You can be generating more, or you can give a little bit of grid to make this look a little bit much more interesting. For example, inside here, let's say, for example, YouTube thumbnail creator. So when I send this directly inside here, you have the availability to change the alignment, to change the color style, to change the font, change the size, and so much more stuff. So in this case, I will be focusing, for example, for this Century School, and you can be moving this, for example, somewhere into the upper side, or just leave it as it is. In this case, I will be leaving this into this element. You can generate an actual in-beam code. You can generate an actual prototype. You can generate more styles, or even add more images. For example, this one. I add this three, and let's say that into this specific three different images, I can just change the actual text of what you're actually aiming for. So for example, when I click into this element here, for example, what I can do is to click into this specific element that says reorder the actual project, and what you can do is to change element. For example, put this into the upper side, put this down below, and go for save new order. Now inside here, something else that I think that we can actually do is to change the actual project style. We have an actual custom button that we can change, and when you finish with this inside here, what we can do is to change the actual cover of what you're actually generating. For example, here I go for crop, I have the title, and in this case my product information, for example, would be my first portfolio. Then something else is to add up to 10 tags that can be helping you to understand more about yourself and your work. In this case, for example, here are some suggested tags that I can do and add them directly inside here. Into my category, for example, I can add something for art direction, illustration, logo designs, whatever, but you are only able to add up to 3. And here into the tools used, you can add them if you wanted to. If you don't, that will be actually okay. And here to everyone, let's go for the element that says published. Your first project will be added in no time. Usually we can add up to whatever kind of elements into your stuff, but if you wanted to generate your own portfolio, you can click into the element that says add the portfolio. This will be not inside Behance, it will be inside Adobe Portfolio. A portfolio, for example, think of it as an actual website that can be helping you to generate all of your actual projects into just one site. When you click into actual elements as one site, we can generate a welcome page or a full portfolio. Let's say, for example, this one. Something really easy. When you click directly inside a specific portfolio, you can be able to change the name, the title, the button, and go for the element that says publish the actual site. The only problem is that this one is not for free, so you might want to be taking that in mind. But if you ask me, and you still wanted to use, for example, like a really easily planned totally for free, focus directly inside only your projects inside Behance, so we can add all of those elements inside directly inside here. Think that Behance is like an actual website, but looking a little bit more like LinkedIn. So this is just a few tools and a few suggestions that I can give you when you generate this kind of elements. If you have any question, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more creative tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.